Right now, in my Telegram community, where I have more than 5,350 messages in my general section, okay, Oluwa Shino Ayomi commented or posted, "Hello, just watched your video on YouTube. Can I exchange goods and service PayPal funds in Magnatus? Please, can anyone reply this?" Well, I already replied Oluwa Shino Ayomi, and while I presume that he may have completed his PayPal exchange by now, I still decided to make this video in order to give more details on one of the fastest and safest ways to exchange your PayPal funds to USDT in recent times. Please note, this is not a sponsored post nor an advertisement. Everything I'm going to tell you in this video is what I have experienced and done myself over the years. I have been using this particular website to exchange my PayPal funds to USDT and other fiat currencies since 2016. So you do really need to watch this video if you are someone who earns funds or earn money online in PayPal and constantly needs a place to exchange your PayPal funds safely and fast to USDT or other fiat currencies. Now let's get started. So this is the website, okay, and this website is known as Magnatus, and the link to access this website is showing on my screen right now. You can as well find this link in my YouTube video description, okay? So straight on the right to the point, this is going to be when you click on the link. Yes, if you've not signed up, but if you have an account before, you can come to this place written info, and then you click on client panel, and then you see a place to log in, okay? But let me assume that is your first time of seeing this website, so let us go to this place. And for you to create an account, you won't really see any place written sign up, okay? Yes, for you to create an account, you have to act like you want to make an exchange. And then if you look right here, you will see several cryptos and fiat currencies: PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Stellar, Wallet, Perfect Money, name it. Now what you're just going to do is to come to this place written exchange. You click on exchange, and then you put in your email right here, and then select the direction that you want to exchange. Even if you don't want to carry out this exchange, you can just do this as a sign up, okay? But you can as well do your exchange straight and direct to the point. Just start it. PayPal to, let us say you want to exchange to USDT. This is it. Tether USDT RC20. You select it. Okay, and then let's assume you want to give $100 worth of PayPal. You are going to receive this amount. Now listen, you can see minimum commission 10.81, minimum 2.5 USD for amounts lesser than 23.06. Okay, if you're exchanging any amount that is less than 23.06 PayPal USD, you are going to pay a minimum of $2.5, or the commission or the payment is going to be 10.84%. Now listen, there's a way that this Magnatus works. This fee may seem high for a lot of people, but you need to realize that the more you exchange on this website, the lesser the fees. That's what a lot of people don't know. Now that you've done $100, you come back tomorrow to do another $100, the fee reduces. You come back next tomorrow to do $500, the fee keeps reducing. And at a point, you'll be paying very little, very, very small compared to how, or the fees that you were paying before. Okay, then agree to the terms, agree, and then put in your PayPal email USD here, put in your USDT data, your USDT address right here. Now take note that anyone that you see having this asterisk, it is what compulsory. Okay, you can look at it compulsory. Okay, but of course you're going to select direction of your exchange, okay, where you are sending from and where you are receiving from. Now listen, this says optional add-on. Do not choose if not sure. Okay, you now said I need screenshot of payments, no need for this. Payment from sponsor, affiliate program, no need for this. I want urgent sending, no need for this. When you're done with this stage or this particular phase, the next thing is that they're going to be sending you emails, asking you a few questions, and if you answer those questions fast, of course your exchange is going to be completed. They're going to give you the direction of what to do in the email you provided. So there's no point of checking all this and paying extra $7. No. I want urgent receiving, no. I want to send the funds one part, no. Password, of course, you put in your password right here. Remove this one and put in your password. Confirm password, put it here. And then password generation, no need to use this. Then put in your surname, your real Nigerian surname, your first name, the country.
Now listen, it says what? Choose the country you selected when registering your PayPal account. This is important because PayPal has different policy and the option for each country. The country of the PayPal you are sending from or you want to exchange from, please put it here. Your mobile, you can put your Nigerian mobile details, and then the next thing you're going to do is what? Check this, I'm not a robot, and then click on submit. And then you're going to get an email on the next step to take. Okay, now let me sign in real quick. Let me sign in. Okay, so I've signed in right here, and you can see some of the exchanges that I tried doing. Some of them I completed, some I did not. Okay, you can take a look. And if you go down to this first one right here, you can see that this was completed, and the first when I did this was what? In what? 2016. You can see what I said in the beginning of this video, 2016, 9th December 2016. Okay, funny enough, this is 10th. Today is 10th that I'm recording this video. So that's exactly how many years? That's exactly 8 years ago that I made my first exchange on this website. Okay, so that is it. You can see, then if you still come to other listings, it's just a matter of the details that you've done. Okay, exchange order. Yeah, here you can see where you can, make an exchange if you are logged in. Okay, yes, where you can start the exchange of the previous place that we were. Okay, yes, then click on my account, and then here is your personal details where you can edit. You can see your personal details, change password if need be, or you can see old password, new password. Okay, yes. So now another thing that is important is also what? Affiliate program. Okay, when you refer people right here, they are going to pay you. Okay, when people sign up under you, you are going to get paid. Okay, for example, you can see the clicks I have already. You can see the registration I have of recent. You can see disbursement. They've paid me $193 already. Okay, previously $193. A minimum of 1.5 USD. No matter, even if the person exchanged $20, you are going to receive 1.5 US dollars without charging the person. Yes, 1.5 USD is going to be given to you, no matter the least amount you can receive 1.5 USD. But if the person is exchanging higher, you are still going to receive higher funds. And also note that I'm recommending these guys because of how stable and how consistent and reliable they've been over the years. It's not about the amount of this almost $200 that have been paid. No, it's about what? Being consistent over 8 years, almost 8 years now. Almost 8 years now, they've been very consistent and paying, and I've not gotten any report about Magnatus not making payment or Magnatus disappearing or all that. Okay, although I don't know their physical office, this is a Russian website, but they've been very consistent. Okay, so they deserve some accolades. Okay, so you understand what I mean. It's not just about this amount of money. Now, if you come to statistics right here, you can see the total sum of completed exchanges that I've done on this website is what? 355 USD. Okay, you can see the discount from our commission. Okay, now if you exchange $50 or less, you get 1% discount. Okay, if you exchange $100 or less, 2% discount. If you're warming up, 250 USD, 3% discount. If you exchange up to 500 USD, you will get 4% discount. You can see that's how it goes. Okay, and if you manage to have exchanged up to 5,000 USD, you get up towards 7% discount. That's why I told you the more you exchange, the lesser the fees that you are going to pay. Okay, yes. So that is it. That is it for this video. Nothing too complicated. The first time you're going to make an exchange, they're going to ask you some questions, especially if you are exchanging PayPal, and they may ask you, how do you get the funds? What are you doing online? This, and just scroll down and give the information as much as possible. If it's for payments for goods and services, tell them anything they ask you, answer as much as possible. Okay, yes, be real. And if they approve your account, if they approve that first exchange, you are going towards have that PayPal account checked good, and when next you initiate an exchange, they're not going to ask you all those questions again. It's just a direct exchange. Okay, yes, so that is it. Check your email, have an eye on your email, check your spam folders, and make sure that emails from Magnatus are not going to a spam folder, because once you start exchanging, they're going to be sending you emails, and from there you will know the next direction to take to complete your exchange. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you gained value.
Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained any value in this one, do give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and also tell me why in the comment section. If you are here to sign up on Magnatus, kindly use the link in my YouTube video description, okay, or the link that is showing on the screen right now. They are the same thing, okay, and make sure you conform to the rules while you make these exchanges. Most times, the questions they are going to ask you is just for the first time you are exchanging, except if you decide to change the PayPal email address that you've been using. Thank you once again for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.